Right, what's up, traders? Welcome to another daily review. But before we get into it, I do want to make a couple of plugs here. We'll speak about my trades today on Tesla and the S&P, and then we'll speak about how I managed to navigate the markets. It's been good to be back on the desk. I've had a little bit of time off, but it's good to get back on. Let's go right into it. So first of all, ASFX TV, we do have a Christmas special, right? You can come trade live with me, Ev, Austin, Zach, and all the guys over at ASFX TV. And we are offering a 25% off at the moment. You can use the code XMAS, right, for that discount. So come trade live with me every single week. And then this daily review is sponsored by Edgeful. We're going to speak about a couple of reports that I used, but go check Edgeful out. The link is in my bio as well, edgeful.com, right? So go check them out. We'll speak about a couple of my plays that I do like and why I took Tesla as well as the S&P. So let's actually go over my positions before we go. Before we bring them up. Let's go like this. Okay, so let's come over to the S&P index over here. You can see we're actually still finding new highs here, but a little bit of a grinding day higher. So clear as day, we take out the previous day's highs. You can see over here, we do take out previous day's highs. Now, for those that do watch me trade live on ASFX TV, you know that I love to use the previous day's highs and low zones in terms of looking for areas of engagement where I want to look for continuations or reversals. Obviously, in this case, we're making bullish price action, so I'm looking for continuations. Okay, so if we come here to the S&P over here, let's go to futures. This is the cool thing about Edgeful as well. You can look at stocks, futures, forex, crypto, everything like that, all that good stuff. All right. So let's come over to the previous day's range, ES year to date. And I have made a post about this. And a lot of traders are saying, oh, no, it doesn't work and whatever. I couldn't really care. I'm trading based off my statistics, off my edge. So ES, right, year to date. If we take out the previous day's highs, 76% of the time we close the day bullish. Now that's not an opinion. This is a fact. Vice versa, 76% of the time we close bearish if we take out the previous day's lows. Now we can go by weekday. On a Monday, if we take out previous day's highs, 84% of the time we look for longs, right? Because 84% of the time we close as a bullish closing day. Now a lot of traders will say, oh, well, we get a sweep of that previous day's highs and everything like that. That's cool. And there's many ways to make money trading. I just like to trade with the odds and edge in my favor. And that's why I do love trading. It's the best casino in the world, right? You can go play blackjack. You can go play anything else. You actually get to see what's in front of you on the trading desk each and every single day and get to play those odds. So once coming out of, playing blackjack, everything like that, the odds are so much more in your favor on the trading side of things. So why would you trade against that? You see, we take out the previous day's highs. I'm looking for longs in continuation. Now, yes, you could have maybe made shorts of those highs, but my play was to the high side, end up getting fully out over here, and we actually still were holding higher. The nice play that I would have loved to be in today was the NASDAQ over here, but we just move up completely on the open, and then we just hold higher all day. So kind of missed that, but my second position here on Tesla, right, if we bring this up over here, second position on Tesla, so wait for it to load. Let's see, there we go. Internet's been a little bit choppy today. I don't know what's, good old South African internet. Let's wait for that to load. But let's go to my previous day's range report on stocks. Let's go to Tesla. Let's go like this, TSLA. Okay. Tesla, and let's go by weekday. Previous day's highs, year to date, Tesla, if we take previous day's highs, we take up the previous day's highs. 78% of the time, we actually close as a bullish closing day on a Monday. Now, these stats, again, will change Wednesday through everything like that. That's why you have to keep up to date with this because the stats do change. Now, the longs here, we continue to move higher, but really I wanted to get in at a little bit of a lower price. I think I was trying to trade the breakout when I should have maybe been trying to trade the pullback, but end up closing actually over here just recently. I should update that. Closed 90% here. And then I'm still got a little piece in, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, other than that, a pretty solid day here. Right, my stats haven't updated yet. We'll see if I can get up to it. There, $2,000 across all my accounts on the day. There we go, just updated real time. That's the nice thing. This is trades that I love to use for my journaling. Okay, so a pretty solid day. And again, I've just shown you one Edgeful report that I love to use. And you guys will continue to see me speak about it because this is part of my playbook of trades and what I'm actually looking to do. So I hope that this daily review helps. I hope that you guys check Edgeful out. The link is in my bio as well. It helps me for my age. It's as simple as that. You got to trade with the stats in your favor, right? And then again, come trade live with me on ASFX TV for 25% off. Again, we'll walk through my trades just briefly, but just kept it simple today. You know, I didn't try and attack. It is a Monday. It is December. Don't expect to chase in December, but using that previous day's highs, you can see they've also got those indicators. Edgeful, if you come onto their website over here, right, and you actually have a look like this, you can actually get access to the TradingView indicators. You put your TradingView username and then you can actually get access to indicators. Here's previous day's highs. Here's previous day's lows. And I'm looking for longs and continuation because we are trading above that level, right? Same as ES here today. Not looking for reversals. It's simply not needed, right? So I'm looking for continuation plays if we take out the previous day's highs and lows. Now, I will actually speak about the Dow because I think this is quite a good example of maybe this is just an idea that I had maybe a reversal, right, off that level. Now, this is for one that's probably still going to ending as a bearish closing day because the open was here. But look at this. We sweep these previous days lows, and now there's no real continuation, right? We don't continue trading underneath it. So that's where I had this idea of just looking to pay those longs in continuation. So there is multiple. Those previous days highs and low zones for me is points of engagement that I'm looking for. I'm either looking for continuation or in this case a reversal. But on the trades I took today, looking for continuation plays. So that was my day today, guys. I hope that you have a solid rest of the trading day, wherever you are. And we'll see you for the next review. Yeah, every single time between 3 and 4 p.m. Eastern time. And today's report daily review was sponsored by Edgeful. So go check them out, the link in my bio. Have a good rest of the day, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.